For years, giant corporations used proprietary parts and software locks to control their products, forcing you to buy new devices instead of fixing the old ones. This was frustrating, expensive, and wasteful. But the tide is finally turning. Across the globe, right-to-repair laws are being enacted, forcing manufacturers to release parts, tools, and manuals. Most people see this as a consumer win. But the sharp-minded entrepreneur sees something far bigger: the creation of a brand new, protected, multi-billion-dollar service economy. These laws are quietly creating a class of secret millionaires, agile business owners who are solving the new problems created by this legislation. This is the biggest regulatory arbitrage opportunity in a decade. Today, we're dissecting this seismic shift. I'm giving you the blueprint for the 3 high-leverage sectors where these laws are generating unprecedented wealth. The old scarcity was parts and tools. Companies simply wouldn't sell them to independent shops. The new scarcity, post-right to repair, is expertise and time. Think about the local independent repair shop owner, Alex. Now, with access to genuine parts and manufacturer-level manuals, his potential market has exploded. He can suddenly fix everything from specialized medical equipment to electric farm tractors. The sheer volume and complexity of the new authorized parts and diagnostic tools mean that the demand for highly specialized, certified technicians has shot up. Manufacturers are forced to comply, but they can't train the global workforce overnight. This gap, between the legally mandated access to parts and the scarcity of trained experts to use those parts, is where the millionaires are being minted. They are scaling the training, diagnostics, and logistics required to make repair accessible to everyone, everywhere. Myth: the only opportunity in right to repair is opening a local electronics repair shop. Truth: the highest leverage opportunities are in the B2B sectors, creating scalable training programs, software solutions for complex diagnostics, and national reverse logistics for parts. These businesses serve thousands of local shops and manufacturers, not just a handful of consumers. Here are the 3 high-leverage business models emerging from the right-to-repair regulatory shift. Step 1: the specialized training and certification funnel. Manufacturers are forced to release manuals, but they won't make them easy to read. Action: build a business that translates complex manufacturer manuals and diagnostics into simple, certified, and marketable skills. Focus on high-value, niche sectors: electric vehicle batteries, specialized medical devices, or agricultural equipment. Charge a premium for certified courses and digital toolkits that turn general technicians into highly paid specialists. Step 2: the vertical parts logistics aggregator. Manufacturers hate the administrative hassle of selling individual parts to a million small shops. Action: become the centralized logistics hub or drop shipper for a single, high-value vertical, for example, all commercial kitchen equipment, or all industrial HVAC systems. Aggregate the demand from thousands of independent shops and negotiate bulk pricing and streamline documentation access from the manufacturers. You are selling efficiency and compliance. Step 3: the diagnostic software and data broker. The biggest hidden cost is time spent diagnosing. Action: build a proprietary software tool that leverages AI or expert data to quickly run manufacturer-level diagnostics on devices from different brands. You are selling predictive intelligence, not labor. This software can also anonymously track failure data, which you can sell back to manufacturers for product improvement, creating a dual revenue stream. Here is your quick business/cash flow hack: the parts bounty hack. Set up an immediate cash for parts system. Partner with a few high-volume local repair shops and pay them a bounty for their perfectly functioning, discarded components, for example, non-cracked screens from broken phones, specific chips from dead motherboards. You act as the broker, creating the components and reselling them to refurbishment companies or specialized recyclers for a higher margin. This legislation is creating an indispensable secondary market for parts. While manufacturers must sell parts, they are not incentivized to build the best fulfillment system. They see it as a cost center. This creates a massive opening for entrepreneurs to build highly efficient, Amazon-style logistics platforms dedicated purely to repair components. This is a business built on predictable, regulated demand, minimizing the risk normally associated with supply chain startups. The long-term impact on product design is also a huge opportunity. As the cost and hassle of selling parts increase for manufacturers, their incentive shifts toward building easier-to-repair products. This future requires new specialized design for repair consulting firms that advise manufacturers on optimizing their bill of materials and diagnostic software for post-sale compliance and lower fulfillment costs. You are selling compliance and saving them millions in future regulatory costs. Regulatory certainty creates investment certainty. Unlike fleeting consumer trends, right to repair laws or mandates, investors see this as a protected sector, making B2B businesses in this space, like training academies or logistics software, highly attractive for capital. Your business is not fighting a consumer adoption curve, it's solving a manufacturer compliance obligation, which is a guaranteed revenue source. Consider the massive shift in the agricultural sector alone. Modern farming equipment often costs $500,000 or more and uses proprietary software. Downtime during harvest is catastrophic. By providing farmers and their local repair co-ops with compliant software access and instant part logistics, you are offering a mission-critical service that instantly commands premium B2B fees. This is the difference between a farm succeeding or failing, making your service indispensable. This isn't just about small electronics, it's about industrial infrastructure. Think about the millions of commercial HVAC units, high-speed printers, and restaurant equipment that require specialized maintenance. The law is forcing the OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, to open up access to the independent service providers who already exist. Your opportunity is to digitize the tools and training for these legacy technicians, selling a digital service layer to a traditionally analog, high-margin industry. Finally, the data aggregation play is the ultimate lock-in. The software you develop for diagnostics, Step 3, will collect anonymous, real-world failure data across thousands of devices and hundreds of brands. This longitudinal data on where, why, and how products fail is an incredibly valuable asset. You become the knowledge broker sitting between the service economy and the manufacturing R&D departments, unlocking a huge, sustainable revenue stream that few competitors can replicate. This is a gold rush driven by regulation, not luck. The infrastructure of the repair economy is being rebuilt right now. Your opportunity is to build the tools and systems that support it. To help you find your niche in this new economy, I've created a free resource, the High Value Repair Niche Finder. It lists the top 7 sectors, from EVs to farm equipment, that require specialized, expensive parts and are seeing the biggest compliance shakeup. You can download it right now, the link is in the description below. Stop waiting for the next trend, and start profiting from regulatory necessity. Business/motivational fact: the global market for independent repair is projected to grow into a multi-billion-dollar opportunity over the next decade. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the one device or appliance you wish you could easily repair but can't, and why is that niche the best opportunity right now? Share your idea in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button to keep building your blueprint for profitable innovation. Remember, where there's red tape, there's always green profit.